you have seen my recent vlog video of our trip to Sydney, you'll see that I made a quick stop at Ikea, and I thought I'd show you guys what I got. Nothing really too exciting. It's mostly just all their artificial plants, because I think their artificial plants are really affordable. Like, they're really cheap, but they don't actually look cheap. Like, a lot of them look quite realistic. So I love getting all my faux plants from Ikea. And yeah, I'll show you what I bought. So the first little guy I bought here was now these are all the, oh God, I can't pronounce these words. Fedka? I don't know, it's F-E-J-K-A. Fedka? And these are all $4.99 for these size little plants. So this is sort of a small one with like little white tips on it. I really like him. So this is another the same pronunciation. I'll see if I can show you there. F-E-J-K-A. This again, $4.99, and that's just like a sort of a succulent looking plant, I guess. And I got two of those actually. So that's the other one there. And you know, like $5. They're a really nice little plant, and you can just sort of pop them around your home wherever. So that's those two little guys. The same $4.99 plant was one of these. I have no idea what this is trying to be or what the real plant would be called of this, but I just like the look of that. It's sort of just a nice shrubby looking plant. Then the other two plants I got, these are also the same line, like the F-E-J-K-A, but they were slightly more expensive. I think these were $6.99, because this one's a little bit bigger. This one I think is the same pot, but I think for the fern looking ones they were $6.99. So those are two I quite like as well. I love this fern one. I think if I go back to Ikea again, I might get a couple more of those, because they're really nice. I like those. And that one's, to me, that's really realistic looking, this fern. It looks like the actual fern. So yeah, I really like those two as well. Then the other little plant I got was another one of these hanging vine type plants. Again, it's the same name, but this one I think it's either $6.99 or $9.99. I can't remember now. And I've got one of these hanging in my butler's pantry. So I also plan to I'll either use this one in one of the bathrooms, or I'll definitely use it somewhere. I haven't really got anywhere. Then for the plants, I bought a couple of these little, they're called the Muscat Pots. They're like a white ceramic pot. And these were, I think, oh, what were they? Maybe $1.99 or $2.99, something like that. I mean, it's all very cheap at Ikea, but they're a nice little white ceramic pot. I also picked up another couple of these little galvanized pots. I think these are only like 69 cents. They're really cheap, and these are really good just to put those plants in. They sort of fit perfectly in them. So I picked up two of those. And then I also picked up two of these little woven baskets to also use for the little pot plants to put around the home. And I think these are the Druvflader? I don't know. Here. That's what they're called. And I think these are about $6.99 each. Or maybe I think $6.99 each. So that's those two. The other little thing I picked up, which I've not seen there before and I thought was really cute, is this little, I guess it's sort of like looks like a little mini bird cage, but it's like a candle holder, and you can sit your candle in there. I think this was $10, $9.99, something like that. I just thought that's really pretty and really cute. I don't have anywhere in mind for it as yet, but I'm sure I'll find a nice spot to sit that. So that's that one. I also picked up two of these checkered pillowcases that I plan to use for my lounge here. They were the 50 by 50 centimeter pillowcase, and they're in like a grey and cream sort of check print. And I think they were $1.99. It was like they were really super cheap, so I picked up a couple of those. The other thing I bought, and I'll insert a picture when I build it, is this Lagrag lantern. You can see on the picture here what it's going to look like. It's quite a tall lantern, so it's about as tall as this is. And I bought it in the grey. So once I've built it, I'll insert a picture here of what it actually looks like. And I think this was $22 or $24, something like that. So I really like that one. The other thing I picked up was this tiered tray. It's the Garnier tiered tray. I'm probably butchering all these names, but anyway. And it's a 2-tiered tray in white, and it's got like a little decorative cutout pattern along the sides. Again, I'll build it and insert a picture here of what that one looks like. And I think that one was $20 maybe, $19.99, something like that. And that's it as far as the plants and small things. The biggest thing I bought from Ikea this trip, and what I mainly went for, was this plant over here. And the main purchase I went to Ikea for was this faux plant here. I'm not sure what the name of this one is. I'm not sure if it's like the eucalypt or I don't know. This one was $80, and it's about 165 centimeters tall, a little bit taller than I am. So that was the main reason I actually, well, that was the main thing I wanted to pick up from Ikea on this trip. And that basket there was one of the baskets that I purchased from Kmart on my last Kmart haul as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.